Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of struggling with complex math problems? Do you want to improve your mental math skills? Look no further. Vedic Math is here to simplify your life. In this video, we will show you how to master Vedic Maths, the ancient Indian system of mathematics that can help you to perform mental calculation quickly and accurately. So, get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound math skills. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video with your friends, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos on advanced Vedic math techniques. Let's get started. But before that, don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions on this topic. Your comments help us to create better content for you. So make sure to share this feedback here. Introduction to Vedic Math. Vedic math is an ancient system of mathematics that originated in India over 2000 years ago. It is based on 16 sutras or formulas we can say and 13 upasutras that can help you to solve complex math problems with ease. Unlike traditional mathematics, Vedic math is focused on mental calculation, which means you can perform calculation in your head without relying on a calculator or paper and pencil. In the next video, we are going to reveal the 16 sutras and 13 upasutras of Vedic maths. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to watch the video. Don't miss out on all the exciting math content coming your way on MathsCore. Addition and subtraction. Let's start with the basics. Vedic math has a simple yet effective method for adding and subtracting number. It's called the vertically and crosswise method. This method involves breaking down the number into smaller components and using simple arithmetic to add or subtract them. With a bit of practice, you will be able to perform this calculation mentally in no time. So get ready for some mind-blowing insight. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to catch our upcoming video. Multiplication and division. Multiplication and division are often considered as more difficult math operations. However, Vedic math has a simple and effective method for multiplying 2 and 3-digit number and dividing bigger numbers. It's called the vertically and crosswise method as well. This method involves breaking down the number into smaller components and using simple arithmetic to multiply and divide them. Once you have mastered this method, you will be able to perform complex multiplication problems and division problems in your head with ease. We have got an upcoming video on this topic that you won't want to miss. Now it's time to know about what are the applications of Vedic maths. Vedic maths can be applied to a wide range of math problems including percentage, fractions and algebra. You can also use Vedic maths to solve complex equations and problems that requires multiple steps. With Vedic maths, you will be able to solve maths problems quickly and accurately, no matter how complex they may seem. In conclusion, we can say that Vedic math is a simple and effective system of mathematics that can help you to perform mental calculation quickly and accurately. By mastering the principle of Vedic maths, you will be able to solve complex math problems in your head without relying on a calculator or paper and pencil. So, what are you waiting for? Start practicing Vedic maths today and impress your friends and family with your newborn math skills. Thanks for watching.